Hey everyone! Today we're reviewing Claritysoft CRM. Links are in the description. Claritysoft CRM is a user-friendly, highly customizable platform ideal for small to medium-sized businesses. Its simplicity and flexibility make it perfect for managing sales, customer interactions, and marketing. A standout feature is its customizable contact management. Store detailed profiles, track interactions, and attach notes, documents, and emails directly to each contact for a centralized view. Robust sales automation tools provide a clear visual sales pipeline. Track deals, set priorities, assign tasks, and monitor progress in real time to stay organized and focused on high-value opportunities. Claritysoft also offers marketing automation, including email campaign management and lead scoring. Design targeted campaigns, track engagement, and analyze performance to improve lead generation and nurture prospects. Customizable dashboards and reports track key performance indicators, monitor team productivity, and forecast revenue for data-driven decisions. It integrates with tools like Outlook, Gmail, QuickBooks, and MailChimp, and a mobile app provides on-the-go access. While powerful, Claritysoft is best suited for small to medium-sized businesses. Larger enterprises may find its features limited. Overall, Claritysoft CRM is excellent for businesses seeking a flexible, user-friendly solution to manage sales, marketing, and customer relationships. Its customization, automation, and reporting boost efficiency and drive growth. Check the links below to explore Claritysoft and see if it fits your needs. Hopefully, this helps you decide if Claritysoft is the right CRM for your team.